Hi, I'm Andy Webb from BeCleverWithYourCash.com. I'm going to talk to you now about the longest relationship you've probably ever had. No, not with your husband, wife, or boyfriend or girlfriend. It's with your bank. Lots and lots of people are still with the same bank that they've been with since a kid or since university or when they first started working. And after a while, those years quickly add up. You know, it could be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 years that you've been with the same bank. And that's essentially losing you money. And I'm going to tell you now why you need to break up with your bank. There's a huge amount of competition going on between all the different high street banks trying to get your business. And the way they're doing that, trying to get you to move from who you're with now to this new bank, well, there's a series of incentives. First of all, there's the switching bonus. A lot of the banks, First Direct, Halifax, HSBC, Marks and Spencer's, a few others, they will offer you £100, maybe as high as £150 to move your bank across. Cash bonus. Fantastic. After a couple of months, it gets paid into your account. Other banks are offering high interest on your savings. Now, we know ISAs, normal savings accounts, interest rates are really, really poor. You're lucky if you get 1%. But you can get as high as 5% with certain current accounts. Nationwide, for example, will give you exactly that, 5% for 1 year. You can only save £2,500 in there, but hey, that's still a best rate you're going to get on that chunk of money. And then another incentive some of the banks are offering is cash back on your bills. So Santander and NatWest both do this. I'm with NatWest at the moment, but I was with Santander before for this. Council tax, energy, your mobile phone, get money back into your account. That all sounds pretty good, doesn't it? They all sound good. Much, much better than what I got on my Barclays account. That's who I joined when I was at university, and I was with them for 16 years until I finally made that move. I then moved to Halifax, which gave me a monthly reward. And I didn't stop there, because you don't actually have to only have one bank account. There's not a rule saying you can't have more. I've now got, I think at last count, 12 current accounts, because you can get these incentives most of the time, apart from that switching bonus I mentioned. You can get them just by opening up a new account. Now, it can get a little bit tricky to manage that if you're not on top of it all the time. And I have written on the blog some of the ways that I keep on top. But even so, even if you just want to change one bank account, because you're getting nothing right now with who you're with, there are lots and lots of options out there. Over on the blog, BeCleverWithYourCash.com, I've listed all the incentives, and I keep this updated all the time, so you'll be able to find out what the latest deals are and pick the one that's best for you. A couple of little caveats though to throw in. If you're thinking of moving house and getting a new mortgage, then how long you've been with certain financial products, so your bank account, your credit card, does do well for your credit score. So it's worth waiting until you've done that. And also, if you're likely to go into your overdraft, then make sure your switching is based on what the fees are for going overdrawn. And if you can get an interest-free overdraft, which is even better, because any interest you might get on savings, any cashback bonuses or switching bonuses, well, they might be pointless if you're getting charged lots of money on your overdraft. I'm Andy Webb. Do head over to BeCleverWithYourCash.com to find out more about bank switching. Cheers. Thanks for watching.